Hello and welcome to my garden. This year I decided that I was going to do something a little bit different than I've done in past years, and that is I wanted to try to get the soil a little bit fluffier than I have before. So I'll show you what I did. I went ahead, I tilled it like I normally would, then I scooped all of the dirt out of the garden. And I tilled it again.
So do we get 2 bags?
After I did all that, to prepare the soil, I went ahead and spread some chicken manure over the entire garden. Once I had completed all of that, then I went ahead and started making my rows. You learn from watching other YouTubers, and I learned this from watching Jason over at Cog Hill Farm.
I don't know how you guys make a straight line, but I use string. I used to use nothing, and then I'd have them Budweiser rows.
And here is my Budweiser row. Well, my plan to have nice, deep, fluffy soil did not work out as well as I was hoping it would. Still have nice, fluffy soil, it's just not as deep as I was hoping for. I am doing things differently this year than I did last year. Last year I didn't do any trellising at all, and I did regret that, especially on the tomatoes, because they were, sprawled all over the ground, and we ended up losing a lot of tomatoes actually, and not having a good production of tomatoes. Although our production is better than we have ever had. So, doing this differently this year, I'm going to trellis the tomatoes up the fence, make them taller and not so bushy. And other things that I have planted I'm going to also trellis. Like I said, zucchini, I want to try trellising that for the first time. Heard about it, I've never tried it, so I'm going to give it a whirl this year. Yeah, I think we're going to have a good garden this year. So if you enjoyed this, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, check out this next video over here. And I'll see you next time.